world ages. Humanity comes of age. I am a droplet in a great waterfall. I cannot change my path. My forces are balanced. I am pushed, I am pulled. I am left alone. Should my balance break, chaos would reign. But droplets, I would fall, just the same.
There's no explosions here. And something unusual, something strange.
I am flying on a plane. My parents are the pilots. They leave. The new pilots won't see me. I am not allowed to see them. People eat, people sleep, people talk, people dream. I move to sit with friends, single serving to journey's end. How do you spend your time? What makes your time worth spending? In a world where time is money, what will you buy to treasure forever?
Nothing's changed, just a little older, that's all. You know when you found it.
I like to take photographs, to capture time I love. But who will love my photographs after I give them up?
Hey, something unusual, something strange.
Everyone wants to be a butterfly.
You have 15 minutes to cause your storm.
How will you reign?
Play the fool for the royal court.
Become the physical elite.
Leave a trail of death and destruction.
And your enemy is?
The world that created you.
Tell it like you still believe at the end of the century there's a change for you and me. And Amy, come sit on my
I hope this dream will always be,
Two droplets fall in synchrony.
and waking never bothers me.
Two paths collide in love, you see.
The clock alarms the time I'm lone.
The water crashes into stones.
The ceiling tells me I'm at home.
The sunlight makes the ripples glow.
change for you and imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind, imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. How they toss the dice, it had to be. The only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together.